Your Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Ahmed Bola Tinubu, ably represented by the Governor of Lagos State, my younger brother, Babajide Sanwo-Olu. The Senate President, the uncommon Senate President, Your Excellency, God's will, Akpabio, the Deputy Senate President, Senator Barao, Your Excellency, our dear wife, the wife of the governor, former governor, still there, former governor of Rivers State, and indeed, before I murder the protocol, the governor of Rivers State and his dear wife. Former governors, I believe I'm speaking on your behalf. So permit me, Your Excellencies, most distinguished ladies and gentlemen, to observe all the protocols that have been so established. It is difficult to talk about Governor Wike in 2 minutes. Indeed, it's better to write a book on him than to talk about him in 2 minutes. All your colleagues that have left office, some have gone to the Senate, some are unemployed, like those of us that have been unemployed for 16 years. I'm sure they will all now begin to realize that it's not easy to be a farmer. We all join hands today to thank God for you and congratulate you. On a personal note, as my younger brother and friend, let me say this. No matter your views or what you think about Governor Wike, he has displayed exceptional courage that is very uncommon in governance in Nigeria. Coupled with that courage, he has performed superlatively. It is not easy to do what he has done in Rivers State in a complex society like Nigeria. So we must commend you. You have demonstrated that the purpose of public service is to serve the people that elected you. Every other thing is secondary. And I'm sure, with the permission of my former colleague, that the Rivers people will never forget you. You see, in public office, you have various obligations. One is infrastructural. Another very important one is what you stand for, your political philosophy. And you have demonstrated that it's possible to combine both. You don't have to be a mumu to perform. You can perform and also stand and defend and be an advocate for your people. You have done both of them exceptionally. I want to congratulate you. Because of your courage today, we have a new Nigeria. And as my senior brother said, we believe that the President, Senator Ahmed Bola Tinubu, will do what is good for Nigeria. We know he's courageous, we know he's daring, we know he can take risks, because you need all of those combined to do what is right. Because of your courage, we are there today. We thank you. First, on behalf of the people of Niger-Delta, and I believe I have a platform to speak for the people of Niger-Delta. We thank you. We thank you because we know that this is only your beginning. We thank you because we also know that whatever assignments that God has for you in the future, you will perform just as you've done what God has given to you as governor of Rivers State. Once again, on behalf of all former governors here and those not physically present, we want to say you have done us proud. You have done the G5 proud. You have done the integrity group proud. You have done the former governors proud. God will continue to be with you, protect you, give you wisdom and good health, you and your entire family, as you march on to your journey to make Nigeria a better place. Thank you and God bless you.